What's going on, Garrett here. If you're watching this video, chances are you're looking for more information on how Easy1up works. Maybe you've been seeing the buzz about this affiliate program, this online business training platform, and you're really smart enough to do your research before you invest your hard-earned money, before you go out there, you start promoting, you start marketing to try to make income online. Now, I apologize for the quality. I'm actually coming at you from a hotel room in Sao Paulo, Brazil. And I've been currently a member of Easy1up for over 2 years now. So what you're going to learn inside this video is exactly what you need to know to cut through the BS, to get to the point and realize by the end of the video if you should move forward with this opportunity. Now, I'm on the Easy1up product page. Now, what Easy1up is, and I've already kind of touched on that in the beginning of the video, it's basically an online training platform. So when you go out there and you want to make money online, you want to maybe quit your 9-to-5 job and work full-time from home to do the things you love to do with the people you love doing it with, what you want to realize is you need to learn 3 basic components: how to get traffic, how to get leads, and how to get sales. Okay, those 3 key components make up an online business. And the beautiful thing about Easy1up is when you actually purchase one of the levels, okay, what you're getting access to, what the products of Easy1up actually are, if you also decide to promote this as an affiliate, are step-by-step video training breaking down how to get traffic, leads, and sales. Okay, so you can see the different levels. They have Elevation Elite, which is $100. They have the Vertex, which is $250. Each one is going to be more and more advanced. Okay, so this one has traffic secrets revealed, email relationship mastery, okay, which is how to actually start building a relationship if you do email marketing, which is one of the most profitable forms of marketing online, Vertex Elite, etc., all the way up to the Vertex Live. Now, this is the highest level, and all of these are a one-time investment, okay? So if you were to actually join Easy1up, position yourself at one of the levels, it's just a one-time investment. Now, the cool thing about Easy1up is whenever you invest in one of the levels, you actually unlock all the levels under it. Okay, so that's why it's in your best interest to join as high as possible. Now, you're probably watching this video though because you may understand a little bit about Easy1up and you want to actually make money with this. Maybe you've been seeing some results from people. You've been seeing, newbies that have been able to partner with our team and make their first $1,000 commission in a single day with very little previous experience, right? Very little ability to actually sell, just using our copy paste ads, posting them on social media and sending them their join link, right? So what I want to cover is how to actually join and then the amazing bonuses you're going to get from me personally if you do partner at the link under this video, because I want to set you up for success and this is the best way to do it. Okay, so basically what you see here are the 5 different levels. Actually, there's 6. Okay, so you don't have to be a great counter, right? You don't have to count well to actually make a ton of money online, because with this program, another cool thing is you actually get paid 100% instant commissions. Okay, so there's a couple competitors out there. This is called high ticket affiliate marketing, right? The act of what we're actually doing if you decide to join Easy1up, if you decide to partner with me, what we're doing is high ticket affiliate marketing. You're basically an affiliate recommending people higher priced products, okay? Now there's a couple competitors out there, but what sets Easy1up apart, the reason I, after 5 years online, decided to invest my hard-earned money into this program and run with it, is the compensation plan, right? Because the other programs out there, they may pay you $1,000 a commission, but you have to wait 2 weeks up to a month to get the money. And you have to give away a portion of the money to the owner of that company. The beautiful thing about Easy1up is when you make a commission, you can actually choose how you want to receive that money. PayPal, Cash App, Zelle, Stripe. And when you receive the money, you don't have to wait, a day, you don't have to wait a week, you don't have to wait a month. You get the money instantly, okay? So if you want to scale this or pay off bills or travel, you can get the money instantly. Now, the only thing Easy1up requires you do is when you join, when you invest into one of the levels, okay, you have to pay a one-time admin fee. Now, that actually is how Easy1up is making their money. So you can see the breakdown here, okay? So for example, the Vertex Pro, the Vertex Live, these are the most popular levels because you can unlock all the training under it and you earn the most money per commission, because we earn at the level we join at and below. Okay, so it's best to stretch yourself. Again, if you have a debit or a credit card, rather, you can charge the credit card. You can do whatever you have to do to get in at that higher level. And then one sale at that level, you make back your money. Okay, and you can receive that instantly. So the Vertex Pro, it's a $1,000 investment and a $100 admin fee. Okay, Vertex Live is a $2,000 investment and a $500 admin fee. Now, what I want to share with you is what sets me apart versus all those other people online. You know, a lot of people, you just randomly join, you're left in the dark, you're left stranded. If you've ever partnered with someone in the past, you know what I'm talking about. The reason you should join me is because of this very reason. I have tons and tons of bonuses no matter what level you join. Okay, so at the link below, you'll get taken to this page eventually when you go to my website. And this is going to break down what bonuses you receive when you join, you know, a specific level. So for example, you know, the $2,000 Vertex Live, you're getting my best copy paste ads. By the way, you get my best copy paste ads to post online to get leads and sales, no matter what level you actually join. But you also get Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook advertisement training, okay, at the highest level. So you can do free and paid traffic to generate these Easy1up commissions as soon as possible. Now, the last thing I want to share, because I don't want to belabor this point, it really is simple. It's called Easy1up. I've done videos on the compensation plan, but it's basically a one-up compensation plan, meaning you get paid that first commission. The second commission goes one up, okay, to your sponsor, the person that you joined through, me in this case. And then all the other sales are going to go to you. Okay, so you just pass up that second commission. Okay. Last but not least, if you're watching this and maybe you've been doing your research, maybe you've been, you know, searching through different videos, articles, you don't have your questions answered, I want to invite you after you review this website, because it's very, very in depth. I answer, you know, most of the common questions. You can see proof of, you know, other people that have joined me. But what you can do is you can actually directly message me on my Facebook, okay? I'm a friendly social guy, and I'm here to help you. Go to my profile, send me a message today if you have a question that I, you know, don't answer, and I will answer you as soon as possible so we can get you the answers you need so you can set up yourself for success and make this year the best year yet, okay? So I hope you got tremendous value. I hope this kind of answered a lot of your questions. You understand how Easy1up works. And again, I really appreciate it. And I would love to have you on my team. I'd love to share these bonuses with you and really, really set you up for success. So thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you very soon. Take care.